There's hope, there is hope in the Lord. There is hope in King Jesus. There is hope in God. There's a reason why I'm singing that song, even though I know I cannot sing. Today, I'm here to talk to my J1 students. Ain't gonna lose no sleep over what people say. Just let me live my life. You ain't give me my life. Nah, you can't tell me. Welcome to another episode of Nessa's World. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you know anyone that's going to college, university, anyone that is struggling to pay their tuition, anyone that you know that is taking out a student loan, send them over to my page because, I have a way out for them. You don't have to go through loans, even though I did it and now I'm in debt. But luckily I found out about this program before I encounter some more debts. So yeah, the J1 program, this is what I'm going to talk about. And today specifically, I just want to tell you, all my J1 students, everyone that been on the program before, everyone that know the rope, I'm talking to you today. And I just want to tell you guys that there is hope. There is hope because after the last embassy visit, we all know how hard it was to obtain that visa because during the Donald Trump presidential debate or election or campaign, during him last campaign, him stated that him go put a stop to the J1 visa. Oh my God, could you believe that? A stop to the J1 visa? And that caused a alarm, and there was so much panic in Jamaica, so much panic in the university, and everyone was like, oh my God, what are we gonna do? This is the way out. This is what we use to pay our school fee. This is how we buy stuff for ourselves. Because let me tell you guys, if you're going to J1 program, you can literally come back and buy a car. You can literally come back and pay down on a house. You can literally pay yourself through school. You can literally get races. Anyhow, that's not what I'm talking to you about. But I just want to tell you guys, that there is hope because a lot of local agencies put in a cap on the amount of time you can enter into the United States of America because of this man, Donald Trump. And it caused an alarm because I was like, I wanted to go on my final year so I don't have to use all that money to spend on school fee. I can probably just do the final 4 courses that I have and use the rest of the money to either start a business, buy my car, do something with it, right? And then I hear that I cannot go the 4th time. I was so devastated. But guys, I like to get my facts straight, and I don't just listen to he say, she say, we say, they say, he say, whatever. I like to get my facts straight. So I personally called CIEE because they were my sponsor, and I was like, is it true that we cannot go more than 3 times? And they were like, no, it's not true. As long as you're in university, as long as you're enrolled in a university or a college and you're doing 12 credits, 12 credits per semester, then you're good to go. And I was like, okay. And then there was this other guy. He goes to my school and he went on the program the last time, and I was like, did you hear that they have a cap on the amount of time you can go? And he said that's what he heard. And he also called CIEE, and CIEE told him the same thing that they told me. And I was like, okay, that's an next confirmation. And I was like, so how much subjects do you have leave? And he was like, I just have 2. And I was like, what, 2? Then you got lucky. How you got to go on the program? Because they were saying that once you're in your final year, you cannot go on the program. And he had two courses left. He have 2 courses left, and he's going to finish that this semester. So that means the assumption was wrong, right? It is all wrong. And that is why, you should always try to get your facts straight. Don't listen to people, because you listen to all these people, you start losing hope, and you throw away another opportunity, right? Anyhow, I said, okay, I got that, and I was like, all right. So I'm going to call some agency, because I know my agency that I went with last year not going to do it. So I started, going around and looking on the net and whatnot, because I want to help you guys. Not saying that I'm going again or I'm not going or whatever. It's just to get the information out there and whatever. So I went on the net and I found 3 local agency. I called one and they said that, you cannot go more than 3 times. And I was like, okay, bye. I called the second one and they were like, as long as you're in university, you can go on the program again. And I was like, oh, you're a tick on my list. And then I called the next one and they were like, well, we don't allow people to go 3 times. However, they have a sponsor in the US that accept person. Like if you're 29, if you're 30, if you're 40 and you're enrolled in school and you've been to the US like 4 times during the program or whatever, you can go again. I was like, what? Say what now? And yeah, and I'm like, okay, you guys need to know this, because everyone thought that you cannot go on the program more than 3 times. You cannot go on your final year, and if you reach a certain age, you cannot go on the program. But there's actually agents out here that cater to your needs. And guys, if you want to know that, hit me up in the comments down below and let me tell you, which agency to check. Better yet, I may just do another video on all the agencies you can use. Guys, if you want to go on a program, now is the time to act, like right now, because right now they're actually going through the processes and you need to sign up, pay your registration fee and all of those fees and all those stuff. So guys, go and find an agency, go and sign up. If you have to borrow money, go and do it, because you will get back that money. Just go, guys. Just go find an agency. And if you want a list of agency, hit me up in the comments down below. I'll let you know. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm going to share some more stuff on J1. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please to subscribe now. Hit the notification button, so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. So don't lose hope. Remember that you can go on the program as long as you're in school. And yeah. Oh yes guys, tax return is just around the corner, and I'm going to leave a link down below so you can follow that page and get more information. And the page name is VP Income Tax Return. Go and follow that page for more information on tax. You get more money for your money. Just remember that. See you guys. Bye.